world of dreams where stories unfold. We ride for the world, let the truth be told. Against shadows and doubt, where hope's at stake. Ignite the flame, let the ground shake. Ride for the world, let spirits soar. Break down walls, open every door. In every beat, a revolution starts. Awaken the world, mend broken hearts. Through valleys of fear, we'll stand tall. Breaking chains, breaking every wall. In unity we rise, hearts entwined. For the world we ride, our mission defined. Against ICPPD, we'll be the light. Ignite the passion, fight the fight. Spread awareness, let courage breed. In this ride for the world, plant the seed. Ride for the world, let spirit soar. Break down walls, open every door. In every beat, a revolution starts. Awaken the world, mend broken hearts. As the anthem plays and the ride takes flight, a symphony of change in the silent night. In every heart that beats, the rhythm of pride. We'll ride for the world in a victorious stride.